Newcomer defense contractor Anduril has revealed its Bolt-M, a machine learning-infused strike drone, a quadcopter-type design that's easily transportable and aims to put lethal precision firepower in the hands of individual soldiers. Bolt-M is already being lined up for testing by the U.S. Marine Corps, as that service looks to harness the capabilities of kamikaze drones. While its autonomous features point the way to a new generation of loitering munitions that are easier to use and more reliable than those currently fielded, the promise and dangers of AI-enabled lower-end aerial drones on the battlefield is something that TWZ has explored in depth in the past, and Anduril is now looking to secure its position in this fast-changing field. The Bolt-M is part of a wider family of autonomous air vehicles that are man-portable and use the same basic vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) quadcopter platform. While the baseline Bolt is intended for surveillance and search and rescue, the Bolt-M, for munition, is more intriguing, building on the success and proliferation of smaller strike drones that have been used to great effect in Ukraine and elsewhere. Unlike the low-end kamikaze drones that are proliferating in Ukraine, which are primarily improvised first-person view (FPV) types, the Bolt-M uses machine learning and automation from the outset to make it easier to employ. Onboard software is used to automate the flight behaviors required to accurately track and strike a target, while providing human operators with 4 simple decisions: where to look, what to follow, how to engage, and when to strike, the company explains in a press release. While the pilot of an FPV drone requires extensive training to successfully find and strike targets, the Bolt-M aims to provide soldiers with a much simpler way of achieving similar effects. The drone's object tracking capability means that the operator can draw a bounding box around any visually acquired target using the drone's dual electro-optical and infrared camera. Bolt-M will then follow that target autonomously, but if a new threat emerges, the soldier can select it instead, meaning that time-sensitive and pop-up threats can be prosecuted. Bolt-M can also be used multiple times for reconnaissance in this manner. Anduril also envisages Bolt-M feeding targeting coordinates and other battlefield information into a broader data-sharing network via Lattice. In this way, information gathered by Bolt series drones can be shared with third-party platforms and commanders. Operating on a common software platform and across a common network, it's also possible that Bolt-M could be rapidly adapted to make cooperative, swarming attacks with a high degree of autonomy.